Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we'd love to share it. Here's what they had to say.
Eric was very polite and kind. He was very thorough and determined that after checking everything, there was only a small issue. This diagnosis will probably save me money in the long run and also puts my mind at ease that all is more than great. Thanks so much.
And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.